Welcome to my show, people. This is Randy's Wild Kitchen. It's been a long journey. Of course, I didn't shave. We're at the house, Jamaica Good Life house in Montego Bay. No, Jamaica Good Life, Wild Kitchen. This is Randy. First off, let me thank every single one who's always been supporting this show. I love you, and the reason why I created Randy's Wild Kitchen, because I do like to cook. And finally, I get a chance to cook. Today, we're going to, oh, you don't know much about me. I'm from Manchester originally, in Jamaica. I am from, some seasoning. Brooklyn, New York, been there 31 years. I've worked in advertising, finance. I'm the founder of Jamaica Good Life, purpose to bring our people back home, and we help people along the way. But now, I'm at the Jamaica Good Life house. It's all about me now, enjoying myself, bringing you the Wild Kitchen. I do things my own way, so just bear with me. It's my style. All right, now, what we're cooking here is some curried, and I'm gonna go for the big spoon. Got to get the big spoon. I don't like the, I like my big wooden spoon. I don't like when I'm cooking and I hear the rubbing. So, you know, if you've seen the Wild Kitchen before, and big up with Veleta. And if you've seen the Wild Kitchen before, you know about my big spoon. I love my big spoon. There's my big spoon, love it. So my big spoon is what we use. So now we cooking curry. It's kind of like steamed fish with curry pumpkin and curry chocho. This is the seasoning we have right there for our fish. Here's our seasoning for our fish, chopped up nicely. And of course we have to chop up our okra soon, but this is our fish. And we have a special seasoning we're gonna throw on there. So this is our fish ready. All right, people. So now, what I'm gonna do real quick, I bought all of this fish at from the guys on the street that catch the fish today, and them already cleaned them. So I'm gonna wash it with lime and thing. I know my fingernail cut, my nails are cut and everything, but love to cook. So right off the bat, I'm just gonna take the seasoning. And I could insert them in each of the fish, but I put the fish in a big pot, so I'm gonna just throw the seasoning what I'm gonna use. And it's already have a lot of different spice and stuff. So I just throw all the seasoning in the pot with the fish. It has pepper and everything already in it, in this bag that I bought from the market. So I'm trying this seasoning to see what it's like. And then I'm just gonna throw the seasoning that I have here in this container. There we go, this container here. I'm just gonna throw this inside the pot with the fish. So now my peppers and stuff, everything looks nice. There we go. All right, you guys see that? So now I'm gonna take this, and there's the fish in there with all the seasoning stuff. I'm gonna have a big pot cover. I'm gonna throw some more seasoning in it. Yeah man, Randy's Wild Kitchen, season up the fish real good, cut up the onions and scallion and everything, throw a lot of season there. I want this one spicy. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash some okras, and I'm not even gonna take off the top or the tip of the okra. I'm gonna wash these, wash my okra, and cut off the okra. I don't like to waste my okra much. But in Randy's Wild Kitchen, brothers and sisters, tell us do some serious. I'm gonna do some serious cooking for you, but I'm not gonna go live much anymore because I get a chance to record this in 4K. I keep going back and forth between Jamaican. I want this cooking to be, you hear the Pinot Wally outside? This is Jamaica, Montego Bay, and this is a Jamaica Good Life house. So finally, I'm at home. You've seen me run all over the world. You've seen me do this, do that. So now it's time for me to enjoy myself I've helped a lot of people along the way. So you're gonna see me do a lot more cooking, going to the beach, enjoying myself, taking care of my family now. I've done so much. It's been such a long journey. It's time for Randy to take care of Randy. It's time for me to cook and live and enjoy. I've traveled, I've seen a lot of people cook, done a lot with people and stuff like that. So now it's time for me to enjoy myself cooking and show you guys what I can do. So now okra is part of the seasoning. And when I season my stuff, you know, when I play with it, I like to cut up everything in there, and I work fast in the kitchen. So I'm gonna take this big pot cover, and actually don't mash this pot here. Wash it off. Wash my hands a lot. And this right here, I'm gonna shake this. Hope the mic is not making noise. If anything, I'll mute it. So I'm gonna take the fish them tonight, I'm gonna shake it. Shake up my fish them. Tell them say earthquake, I go on. Earthquake. Watching yourself fish, why? This is a good workout too. Give it a turn. Give it a turn. Give it a shake. Make the fish them know say. Season off go all over them. Shake the pot, boy. This is one of my trick. If I curry goat now though, the fish have to be. Lots of time you see people I do meat or fish or whatever, they don't understand. You have to. Whoo! Oh yeah, I think I just lost a pound there. This is what it looks like in Randy's Wild Kitchen. See that? That's how your fish them must look when you shake them up with the seasoning. Now that, you could put it inside or whatever. So that's how you do it. Now, this was coconut. I'm tired. Wow, you're like, guys are like, wow, is he that out of shape? So this is like, kind of like a paste we're gonna eat with the fish. That's a pumpkin. And it mash out, nice. Never seen that before, have you? So now, that was a lot of shake. Whew. Why are we really out of shape? Oh, I forgot, there's not running. So now, whoo. So we said, Lord of mercy. So I'm gonna throw my coconut oil in there now. Remember, this is boiled with blended coconut. Now I like coconut oil. And the losing breath just a shake up the chicken. So, boy, I feel sad to run. I've been sitting around the computer for too long doing these shows. Boy. So that's so I'm gonna wash those okra for the end. So now we're ready now for throw with fish and everything tonight. All right, people? Yes, let's just throw the fish tonight and use the big spoon. No. That's not polite. Fishies, it's time for steam up curry. Make them swim in the pot. We have lionfish. That's lionfish. We have lionfish. We have lionfish. We have butterfish. So this is gonna be nice. We turn them sideways. And then we take our seasoning. Remember, these fish are gonna cook pretty quickly, so don't have to worry. All our seasoning on top of that. Get some water. And then what you do with the water, you want to add some more cream to what you're doing. So you know, you take our spoon, Cover this up and turn down the fire. Oh yes, Randy. Turn them down, right? Now what we're gonna do, it's never been done before. What you're gonna do now is when you have it at that stage, now we are going to do something magical here. So it's all about complementing. You never just use water. I don't like to just use water. I like my food to be rich with taste and everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this chocho, I'm gonna cut up this chocho right here, and I'm gonna throw it in the blender because we're coming down to the final stages. Whoop, that splashed out there for a second. Remember, it's Randy's Wild Kitchen. I like to cook wild. Get some more water in there. And I'm gonna blend this chocho. Then to have a hot system throughout the whole system, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the seeds out of this pepper because I like things hot. I'm gonna also blend this pepper to give the entire dish a pepper water vibration. So I'm gonna blend the pepper also in the chocho. So I already have 3 peppers in there, but you know I love pepper. So now this dish is called, so that's the chocho water with the pumpkin water, with the that's chocho water, you know. And if I had pimento with blended pepper in there. People, never in the world. That dish, woo, call it the, I gotta get a funky name for that dish now. That's the Dr. Fish, lionfish. I forgot it the, what am I gonna call that dish, you know? I don't know yet. I forgive the audience. Now, what I'm gonna do, it's curried pumpkin. It's curried chocho. Now we're gonna get a little bit more salt in there. And it's cooking down in coconut. Just a little bit more salt because we have more water. Okra, coconut, let go. And what I love to do is to add a little, I like a little bit of hot sauce in my thing just to throw off the taster. And take my big spoon and push him a little bit. All right. So this vibration right here, no normal. That's blended chocho. Now if I had some pimento, you know, we have some sweet pepper too, so we're gonna leave that for the end. And some more scallion to give the fresh look. For the seasoning pot, I'm definitely gonna take the seasoning pot and I'm gonna wash it out with some fresh water. And I'm gonna use that fresh water with the seasoning pot, so all the seasoning in it. So that dish here, I don't know what to call it. I don't know what to call it this year. It's fish, pumpkin. It's kind of like, it's not a soup. The fish are in there. They're gonna steam nicely with everything and cook down nicely. That's so you could see it. So we leave it like that so we can use that pot cover so we can have some space and see it. See where I'm going. Now I'm gonna wash out the pot cover so we can see it. Now this dish, whew, what should I call it? Fish mania, chocho fish, pumpkin chocho fish, and a soup. Remember saying no. It's Randy Wild Kitchen. Now let's throw a piece of thyme in it. I'm going to be cooking more in HD. Now I'm going to edit because I want to make sure green HG. So I'm gonna throw some thyme in there, put a big enough piece, I wash it off already, drop it in there. So let's get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there. Now more have to boil and bubble up. Give them some trouble. All right, add a little bit more heat to it, get the salt out of here. All right, so basically, my sweet pepper now, what I'm gonna do is wash my sweet pepper and the rest of the okra. Now, why am I doing so much okra? Well, my food is the actual okra and the sweet pepper. I'm not having any rice. I already have pumpkin in there and a lot of chocho. So I'm not cutting out the rice thing because of pre-diabetic purposes, because of that. And now I'll just use sweet pepper as one of my, just in two. Cut the sweet pepper in two as one of my food kind, not as a season, just as a food. All right. I'm a man where, you know, like a countryman because of country I come from. So we're not really not the pretty people cooking, because we're a bushman. Bushman, I live in a house. Yeah, man. Happy anniversary to Swayze and Sherrod, you know, for them anniversary and a new baby coming. So fans, I don't know what for the happy anniversary. So now I have the okra and I have the thing. So that is gonna wait till last. I'm gonna steam it last. I'm not gonna put them in right now because that's my food. I'm gonna eat the fish, the food there. I wanted probably to cook a little quinoa, but no, I'm trying to stay away from, just kind of stick with the vegetable for now. So this is what we're gonna eat with it. We're gonna put this near to the end. So it's slightly steamed. Ease yourself, ease yourself, behave yourself, behave yourself, come on, behave yourself, do your thing. So that's cooking right there. Whew, oh yeah. Love cooking. So we're back. Welcome back to Jamaica Good Life. And thanks for joining us. Remember, hit that like button, share and subscribe. I don't normally say that on my channel. Everything is good though. Everything is nice in the kitchen. Country boy, just love cooking right now and taking it nice and easy. Pot the pan fire, everything a bubble. Everything nice and lovely, you know? Right now, what would I love to make some more lemonade. Get some more limes, but we have some beets. So let's do this. While that's cooking, let's peel the beets and blend the beets and have a juice. Let's have a beetroot juice. A long time I have them beets staying at the fridge, so might as well use them. I hear beets are also very good for pre-diabetes. So, smelling good over there already. We'll peel these beets right here. So I'm going to start using this way of cooking with the better quality cameras. I'm happy. Hear the peony wally outside? That's the peony wally from Jamaica. They're friendly. You know, lots of noise and keep you nice and thing. So this is random, man. Just I do the thing, you know. Even in the chocho water, we can still blend it in that, the beets. So we're gonna make a beet drink. Put that in our blender, wash the beets, peel the beets, and blend it up in the Vitamix As a matter of fact, fresh beets, we don't have to steam it or anything. I have to start buying a lot more beets. I have to get more discipline as far as what I'm eating, you know? And I am getting disciplined. I'm getting better. I lost the weight. I stay low on the rice. People said to me, Randy, take this pre-diabetes thing serious, you know? And it's from doing the show. I travel so much. This is why you don't see me at the house often, because I'm always traveling in different locations. And now that I'm at the house, I can take care of myself, and I could, you know, take care of myself and, you know, easy with the thing and, you know, deal with the thing properly. So now it's all about me right now, my life. I see everybody I take care of themselves. After you take care of so much people in life, more time you have to start take care of yourself, you know? And my health was getting bad because I'm traveling, I'm eating bad out there, I'm not cook. They don't like to serve a lot of vegetable in Jamaica. And big up to everybody. And let me tell you something, Pauline, the people who support the thing, Janet X and Maria D, all the people that might make sure I have gas money and make sure I can keep doing the show, because it costs a lot. And so if you've donated at JamaicaGoodLife.com, you just go to JamaicaGoodLife.com, buy the t-shirt. You've been watching the show a long time. You love it. It's a unique show. It's positive all the way. When I go to YouTube and I see all the time is just negativity, who I get killed, who I get murdered, foolishness, gossip, who them catch do one nastiness or this and that. We just try to show you Jamaica the positive way and how people are living down here. So you have different perspective, different sides of the story. There are channels that dwell on negativity, just everything negative, killing, who dead, who gets shot, who dead, who gets shot. So it starts to look like that's the only thing that's happening in Jamaica. And I'm very happy that a lot of the channels that we inspired, our Jamaica Good Life team of people, that we inspired, all of you who support this movement, are the reason why I continue the movement. So it's a we thing, we did do it a long time where I come through. It's been a while. So now, I found out today that Mas Vincent passed away. So in Norway, Manchester, I send condolences to the family of Mas Vincent. Mas Vincent, one of the elders, dropped out. I have to go see Angelina and check the family around there. Mas Vincent, I love you. Your spirit will always be with us in Jamaica Good Life. Rest your soul, my elder. I love you. You show me. You know, you always give me positivity and wisdom. I wish I spent more time with you. You know, so just make your transition nice, my father. I love you, I recognize you, give thanks for the guidance. We all will get old, you know, and we all will go at some point. So for the ones that are leaving us right now in the transition, have a lovely transition. I know that you're still with me and you will guide and protect me. So thank you for the time you spend with us on Jamaica Good Life. And thank the person who supported him. I heard that when he passed on, he had the asthma pump. I'm sorry I couldn't even be there more often to get you more support. So I do the best I can do and help my people the way I can help them. I travel through Jamaica and I give you guys the phone number. The little girl that we're trying to help in St. Mary, remember, reach out to her, reach out to Nadisha, reach out to our people. You know, the way I help people, I give out their number, and I like for you to do the honors of going to the Western Union and helping them directly so that we could help a lot of people so you can adopt an elder. So I'm gonna still hit the road, still go on the mission, still continue. We lost one of our elder, so Mas Vincent. And I'm getting older, so that's why I'm taking care of myself now. Cooking the right way and drinking the right juice and showing you guys what I'm doing. So in the beetroot, what I'm gonna do with the beetroot, I'm gonna put some ginger in it, and I'm gonna put some turmeric in it also. That should help with the circulation, right? So the gingers that I have, they've been growing. Everything just grow because I haven't used them a long time. So in a matter, you know, I'm gonna just take them on. So I'm gonna edit a video, a tribute to Mas Vincent. Yeah, the pinot all of them loading. I just like, you know, brother. I'm gonna put a lot of ginger in it. A tribute to Mas Vincent. He's the elder that had the asthma problem. So you know, we have lived this life, and we say the good life because we have life. We can't focus on the negative all the time because babies are born. We're supposed to be protecting our women and our children and things, and our elders. So that's why I may choose to stay positive and look on the brighter side of life, because instead I just have focused on the negative and the fear, we just try through life and live, you know, and hope that everything will be alright, you know. So basically, that's how things go. You know, so it goes. So, you know, it's a little bit sick. And it's a little bit sick, people. It's a little bit sick. It's a little bit sick. So we'll live it, we'll love it, and respect it. Yes, you know. You know. So I'm gonna use some turmeric and the beet. Just to fish them a boil, but it's not gonna take too long, you know, so in no time them fish are supposed to done. And right now you guys supposed to be seeing the slideshow. Randy's Wild Kitchen, you know what I say. Liberty people, enjoy yourself here, man. Jamaica open up. Gates are open up of Babylon, so I'm doing what I do. I already teaching and showing you as much as I can. Gonna keep going. So this is the gates of Zion right now. The Almighty, love and light to everyone. Take care of yourself, y'all people. And easier to road. So turmeric and ginger and thing and everything. I'm gonna blend them up and make some nice juice. All right, Vitamix. All right, so everything is nice and lovely now. So basically that is our food. We eat the fish with the broth, and the dish we're gonna eat that in is, I wish I had some bigger dish. So the dish we're gonna eat that in, this is Randy's Wild Kitchen again. Bless up and love to everyone. Violetta, give me a call. People I'm love you. Come check me. Let this one go out. So we're gonna eat this dinner in this dish right here. The Jamaica Good Life. This is mint tea. So this is my drinking container. Oh, this is Randy's glass. This is my drink water. Them say craving people have big drinking cup. Me not craving no more. Me eat healthy now. So now, for the drink, I'm gonna squeeze lime. Rub out the lime so I can squeeze a little lime in it. I should blend the lime in it, peel the lime and then blend it in it to give it that taste. But I want to squeeze it in it instead. So now you see the wicked juice. And I think this blend out nicely, so I'm gonna have to strain it. Let's try strain some of it to see what I have left in there. Oh yes, this is good stuff. So we have the beetroot. Yeah, we need to strain it a little bit. Yeah man, this needs a little straining. Yes, my people, this is lovely. This beet, I think it's good for pre-diabetes. No sugar in it, no sugar at all. Turmeric and ginger, just that. And I have to start buying a lot more beets to make my drink. So this has a lot of stuff in there. It definitely needs a little straining. You know, in the real world, with the turmeric and ginger, even with the curry, you probably say, Randy, you're mad, you're crazy, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, Randy, don't do it, don't do it, don't take the beets and throw it. No, no, Randy, no, you're gonna mess up the fish. Don't do it, Randy, no, I'm not gonna take the beets, just no. Randy, don't do it, brother. Bigs are gonna hit you. Okay, this is Randy's Wild Kitchen. No, remember I say if we blend the cow or whatever we do. See this? See this beet, yes, sir? Beets, you know, with turmeric and ginger. What do you think Randy are gonna do? No. You're gonna put beets in a curry. No! Don't put no beet. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit tight tonight so I can make no mad. Just a little bit. Yes, Dad, this is not with it. And you're mad. Randy's Wild Kitchen. No. So the beets there. Yes, because it's beautiful. Yes, like a flower. It's gonna give it a taste. I'm gonna come on my yard. I'm gonna love it. See that? You see that little fish broth, yeah? Boy, may I tell you, say, you see if you have some bread. You see if you have some, what? Tell you, you know, shake it in there. You see if you don't have some, look at that. Look at that. And look at that. Yes, there is a God to when Randy a chef the thing, you know. You see people turn things, we not turn things around there, so we don't shake things around. You know, if you turn things, you know, just get a big, look them on, I'm if I tell you, see the lionfish there? All right, I think we're good. It's a soup, a fish soup. Lord, Lord of His mercy. We should have some mercy. Gaza no say nothing. Swayze, don't be lazy. Love when I like cook food. Only in Randy's Royal Kitchen. I find them Mr. Road. You know the people them say, Randy, why you go do that? Put the beetroot tonight too. Hey. The ginger and the turmeric get a little taste. Nice up the place. So now the fish, we know so the fish them done and thing. So that won't take too long. So if we turn on this thing and just make it simmer down now. So basically that is coming to a close. Big up to Rose in Manchester. So we have a beet juice. We're going to throw a lot of ice in there. Well, this is the Jamaica Good Life like this. We're talking about health, you know. I know, so I'm not going to love that one here today and say, you know, Randy, man, you come cook for me, you know. Hey, send no wife, come down, let me teach them how to cook at the Jamaica Good Life house. Wifey, you always want to know, so you come check me. Just come, I'll joke me, I'm like. Just tell her, say, I go round the yard for cooking lessons because I need to get my cooking up. Randy, me there Jamaica, you know. I'm on rope in a daughter. Egg strip sailing on the ocean. And I need no commotion. Rope in daughter, oh that, I mean. Don't forget me. Well then done. Big time Chef Randy. Yes, wait till I open up the Villetta. Wait till I open up the restaurant there, what I'm saying? The restaurant, cow skin out. That's what the people want to talk about, cow skin out. Yeah. So no sugar, squeeze the lemon in it, put the ice in it and just drink. We're not even gonna go, we just drink straight out of it and then put it in the fridge. That's why I like big containers because you just drink out of it and put it in the fridge. No, make that just drip in there and strain out. So basically a lot of food for the garden right now. So now this is done. We don't have a name for it yet, which is crazy. Thank you for watching. Let's check this thing out and see what I'm going. Sunrise TV, big up yourself. Check on the phone. Boy! Hi! Whoa! Yes! Blouse and skirt, pants and shirt, money like dirt. Alright, turn this off. So we have salt and everything, pimento, the season and everything. You see this also? Sell off, look at people. Tell me if we're gonna put some rice with this. Tell me. You know, so we have some rice in the fridge. Tell me. Eh? What, the fish I mash up? Oh, I mash up? No matter. The big spoon, I could cover him up. I could leave him so someone can't see it. I know, so no. So remember, that food right there, so, no normal. What you're looking at there, no normal people. See that? So now what I want to know is that I have, what am I looking for in the fridge? Something that I should have in here. What did I come for? So the rice. Any rice left over? No rice. Okay. So we're gonna leave the rice out. I have enough in there to eat. Right? So it's mostly a fish dinner with the broth. So we're gonna need a spoon to share this out. And this is what my life is about. This is Jamaica Good Life. So we're gonna need multiple spoons and different things to extract this magnificent food from here. This is Jamaica Good Life Randy Wild Kitchen. What we're gonna call this fish dinner right now? What are we gonna call the one here? I'm going to call it, there's curry, there's pumpkin, there's okra, This is the fish broth. What should we call this? This is the MoBay fish pot. No, look on your drink, people. Beets. With the MoBay fish pot. See it there? See your beets there? 1 cup of this. I'm going to squeeze 2 lime in it. 2 American beets. So it's all about health for me personally. So doing this cooking show, it's an honor, and I'm teaching myself as I go along and doing it my own way. Every day right now is my birthday. So we squeeze some limonite, wash our hands, drop the limonite, wash everything, squeeze limonite, give it that nice taste, and then put some ice in it, and no sugar if I had sugar. If I had a little honey, I would put a little honey in there. No molasses, so put the limonite, drop the lime skin in it, drop it in it, squeeze in it, and that is our drink for today. Good. So then I want to mix that around. And then I want to put the ice in there and get to the table and serve myself. So now to extract this amazing dinner, I want about 3 of the fish. So this is the MoBay fish. All right, see there? That one here, I think is the lionfish. Come here, lion. Our lionfish, that. And then we have butterfish. So we're now going to break the fish them up. Go on and eat and see what's going with them. Yes, one of them break off here, so another one. And 3 of them I want to eat. All right, so look one here. And another one. Good. So that's what the foods look like. So now we're going to skim all the okra off the top, because the okra is the food, and then put the okras around the side. And we're going to take the sweet pepper out. That's our food, right? So this is what we're looking at. And I know you guys, it's fish broth. MoBay fish. So in the other seating, now we're going to make sure so we have enough. So remember, say okra. Since I'm doing this first eating, all the okra may take out for me. The next one we'll cook some quinoa to keep it healthy. The actual pimento came from the seasoning, so the seasoning was pretty much done. I'm looking for chocho now. Let's get the chocho out of here. Let's get my chochos. Some of the fish boil out. This is nice. So now you have to watch out for bones. Okay? The chocho, I'm a pumpkin mash out. So now we're getting the food out of the pot. I don't know what you call this, if it's a fish mash. We'll call it a MoBay fish mash. There is the food, people. Lot of mercy. I'm gonna have to go start dance. Boy, when hungry people say food and then. Oh. Boy! And some rice you want to throw this pan. Hey! I hope it's not too spicy. Yes, I say the food too spicy. And they come out in your nighty girl. I'm at the rock here rolling your night. Alright, good. So you know, say, God, I know some love for cook up things and things. You know, say, see it there now, people. That is it. That, right there, son, is a masterpiece. See it there. Boom. And see it there. Boom. And now I know the plate hot. So I know what me love to do when me ready to eat. Me like to actually get a bigger container to put my big container in to eat it, you know. That's how me like to handle food. So more time me I eat, me I'll get a pot and try to fit the plate in the pot. You see, once it can fit in the pot, I know say it won't burn me, it won't be too hot. Good. So that plate will fit in the pot there, hopefully. Yeah. So now I can go in my yard and I like hot things, that's something I like to eat. I like eat out of plate and in a pot. So this has been the journey for a lifetime. Boom! When I play with them on around the wild kitchen, we deal with it, so. So people, see it there. Boom. This right here, sir. When I come at the restaurant and say, oh man, about 10 of them pot them I cook at the restaurant for you. And I hear food that right there, so just like that, and I go bring a pot, I go eat it out of the thing out of the, you know me I say, so I don't have to do it, man. If me have some avocado with that, it's shot. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna know say, right now, when I say Randy, what you gonna do now, mad Randy? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Let me tell you something. I don't know if I call my name. Boom! Put a little butter upon that too. I like the taste of the butter, right? Just rub that one right. You see me? I have a fork and things, so until next time, you know, people. I don't know what taste it, but we could taste it first before we left. We could get the ice and the juice. So people make us see how it tastes now. Lord of mercy. So the butter, just leave that on the top for now. Don't get a chocho. Dip the chocho in the thing. You still can't even use crackers in it too. God, I'm going to tell you. I have to run up and down. I have to run up and down to that. He bought me to me to run. The food that make me. Me serve the food that make me run up and down. Boy! Lord God. Mr. Boy! Whoa! Whoa! Me have a faint. Me taste the chocho. Me taste the blend chocho. You know what me taste? People, me taste the blend up chocho. Me taste the, let me show you on that camera here. Me taste the blend up chocho. Me taste the blend up chocho. Me taste the coconut. Me taste the coconut. I'm going to have to run up and down. People, me taste the coconut. Right there. Yes, me go taste, me quick repeat this. Why? Why? So the butter upon it now. Lord, why? Make we take a piece of fish and dip in the butter. Like we eat lobster. See, this is the chocho. And remember I said bone of the fish now, so watch yourself. This was an adventure. Hey, Jamaica! Whoa! 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 Come back to the thing. Every time I eat tonight, I have to run. See? See, you dip the. You dip the. Mask it up. Mask it up. Mask it up too. The chocho. Boy. See it there? If you want to eat this, you'll never get sick. I paid $2,000 for the fish, probably about $1,000 for okra and a different thing on the scale. But the seasoning, you see the seasoning I want to buy? Remember, say I blend coconut like that, you know. So it's like a fish rundown, a fish curry rundown basically. In a one way, broth. So. Boy, it's a normal. Let me tell you something, it's hot. but the pepper is not too much. And one thing me like about my cooking now, I'll tell you this. When I blended the pepper in the chocho, in the blender. Now, a great chef once said to me that, Randy, you're not a chef, you're a cook. And a cook is a higher ranking than a chef. One great chef said that to me. Why? A lot of mercy. Don't you? All right, put some ice in the juice. You know, so I need some different ice tray. Real big man ice tray. Because I'm looking ice tray, I know. I must say, this is the beetroot juice. I mean like my drink with a lot of ice. People say enough to drink things cold. I like my drink with a lot of ice. But, you know. So now, what we do now, we cover that and shake them around, all around. So, this is my glass. A big man thing. You know, this life right now, this is Jamaica Good Life. I live my best life right now. So, this is what my glass look like. See that? That's a big man glass look, you know? And tighten him up and shake up with the ice. And have my beverage. So now let's keep checking this out. Now I haven't tasted the fish yet. Oh, the scallion. All right. Feel like, scallion is fresh. It's like a Vietnamese soup bowl. This is. If I had some cooked breadfruit in this, because remember we're talking about pre-diabetes dinner. I'm telling you people. Now what makes this different? What would make this different from something somebody else does online? Remember, I blended the chocho with the pepper. Remember, then I have coconut. I cook it in coconut, blended. And there's a special season from the market with a composition of different seasonings. So that is the trick. Where I bought this seasoning in Montego Bay, to get this taste, you can't get it without that seasoning. Then, in addition to the seasoning, I put curry. I curry the pumpkin and the chocho first and let that cook in coconut milk. Then I season the fish and then I shake up the fish in the pot, which I lost a lot of weight doing that. I'm sorry. Yeah, couldn't talk with who you want. So it's a curry, butterfish, kingfish, a curry, lionfish, kingfish, all assortments of different fish from Montego Bay. Let me see if I've tasted anything like this before. Not really. And you know, when I'm cooking, I like the liquid idea for soup to really blend the food. I like a lot of liquid because the liquid infuse it, but I just don't like water. Water takes away from it. When I blend the chocho and I blend the pepper, it has the muscle to grab the food and rub the food down. Water would dilute the food, but blended chocho. Now, remember I have to tell your customers, bones. Take your time, there's a lot of bones here. You could debone your fish if you wanted to. I like the adventure of the actual bones. So this could be like an African dish. But I just love it. So now I'm gonna take my time and eat this. There's the fish with the bones, the fish head and everything. It's like having a steamed fish. This is pumpkin. So it's an adventure. And it's a lovely adventure. This is like a treasure hunt. It's golden. Now, I wonder how the beet will taste with this. I have the ice, run these big glass. I'm gonna throw this beet juice into a smaller glass. It's a little chill. So you see, with the lime cut up in there and everything, that's our drink. Cheers to you from Randy's Wild Kitchen. No sugar, all healthy. Thank you for watching. I'm still here. Fresh. This drink does not take away from the dinner. I taste the lime. I am in heaven right now. Because this, I'm glad. Let me keep this jar for my bones here. I'm glad I had the ability to share this with you, and I hope you try it. So remember, onion, scallion, okra, blended chocho with a pepper, coconut, blended. Special season. This is what I call it the Montego Bay, MoBay curry fish rundown. You know what really tastes good? Ooh, now you know when heat gets in your nose, sorry. MoBay curry fish rundown. The fish is soft, little bones, and it's delicious. I just feel like I'm eating crab. I feel like I'm eating curry crab. I have to go so I could really enjoy this. So I can sniff up my nose and people, I'm not lie to you. I the wickedest thing. Randy's Wild Kitchen, what am I talking about? And just maybe the little bit of beets in here help you with the drink. I don't know, but you can't really get to taste the beets that I put in there, so nothing's gonna. You serious? Watch out for bones, people. Take your time. So, until next time, let me show you. It's a mismatch of assortments of stuff. I'm gonna take my time, go through this. I could debone it later, but the adventure is amazing. This is the Montego Bay curry fish rundown. Until next time, take care of yourself. Keep cooking, keep watching, keep subscribing. Keep the adventure of cooking up. There's no rules to it. Get wild, like Randy Wild Kitchen. Take care of yourself. Love.